Playing in the dirt has never been more fun and more profitable. The Southern Arizona Construction Career Days has grown to new heights every year. The event is intended to increase awareness and enhance the construction industry and career placement.
This is the biggest year I've seen. In 2012, I brought 7 kids. Today I've got 40. Just walking around and watching them not just have a good time, but interact and say, I talked to the guy at Tucson Electric, I talked to the guy at Southwest Gas, I welded for one of the technologies tents. That's the best education they're going to get. How do you compare this to what they're going to get from me 50 minutes in the classroom? Can't say enough good about it.
I love anything with power on 4 wheels that can move heavy things. It's a great experience today. Opened my eyes to where it gives me more opportunities to learn about different companies, learn about different positions through those companies. The Pima JTED program gave me a lot of experience, so when I came to this event, rather than just learning so the companies see how you learn, they actually physically saw how I operated and the skills that Pima JTED had taught me.
This unique opportunity gives students a closer look at what careers in construction can be like.
How many people come out of 4-year college right now and they're working at a coffee shop or working part-time at Home Depot? These are not cheap paying jobs. Great opportunities for some long-lasting careers.
With over 35 companies sponsoring the event, every student got a chance to speak with employers and experience real work skills.
They've been really respectful, kind, giving me a lot of information that is much needed in the work field.
Tucson Electric Power, I've got 2 students that are in that program. Tucson Water, the welding union, the construction union, they're all here saying, how can we help? How can we get on board? For us in education, that's about the biggest uplift you can get. They're our best ambassadors too, so if they succeed and they do well in Tucson, maybe we get them to come back and tell the next generation what there is available. There is a lot here for them. So.